All right, so we're gonna walk the obstacle course to show you the scale of it. Bumps like this, and you can see plenty of people have scraped their belly on it, but we made it over this without touching, which is pretty crazy. I really didn't think that that would be possible. It does look like they beefed this thing up from the previous year too. This hump right here though isn't too much of a challenge for our Honda Passport.
No, that one's
But that's saying a lot for a mom van. Now this rutted area right here, I think I had the highest wheel lift maybe of anybody in the whole event. And when we lifted our wheel, I applied my brake a little bit too hard on accident. And when it teetered and fell down, it like slammed down. Like it was crazy on the inside of the car. But you can see how big these bumps are. Look at it, like, you know, up to my thighs. Now, once we got past that, it's pretty smooth sailing, except for this part right here, because there's a massive dip right here, which I'll go down into.
And a
really big dip.
pan.
It's got a couple hard spots that, you know, could do like pan damage and whatnot, which we do have a Nolo design skid plate. But when I was coming through here, I had the choice. Do I go this way or this way? This way actually, ironically, let me keep more of my wheels down, because as soon as I got past this part, you know, I was set to go over that obstacle. If I went this way, I was definitely going to cross my axle or cross my car really weird on this thing. And ironically, it may have been less impressive, but it also might have looked like we were taking the easy way out. But then we went up and over this, which again is not really a small obstacle. The Passport handles that just fine. And they introduced a new challenge here. I don't know what they call it yet because we haven't been around the people in the know, but it's this like V-shaped log thing. And we had good spotting and everything, but basically if you stick to the middle, it's just a bunch of bumps. But it's still crazy to look and see that we made it through this.
And
With
people in their right minds don't take their brand new cars on things like this, Aaron.
And then it's pretty muddy. There was a car in this obstacle when we came through, and it's full of a lot of nasty mud and
Car parts.
So I think we're gonna avoid that one this time.
Yeah, that's just full of mud.
But
That's
yeah,
probably like 4 feet of mud right there in the bottom.
they keep trying to build this obstacle course to be Honda proof. I don't know that they're actually trying to make it Honda proof, but they're trying to make it to where, you know, the giant 37-inch tired Jeeps have a hard time or have a fun time on it. But so far, they haven't made it Honda proof yet.
Watch out, Eli.
Okay.
Three-wheeling. Maybe. I don't even think he aired down, which may help, but... Did you air down? You might want to turn to the right, or not, because he's got that big stick, whatever thing there.
That's what I was trying to do, but he says I'm going to hit the rail on this side. On that side?
I still think you need to go left. Past me.
Alright, straighten out. Straighten out. Come back, driver. Driver.
It's gonna be squishy. Mud mode, mud mode. Sorry, I think we're gonna maybe try it. See if the Honda can do it.
Please. Thank you.
Man, look at this thing.
Is this yours? You can't park here.
My bad. Can I walk across it?
No,
I'll probably end up.
that looks dangerous. You cut yourself on the.
I'll get to the end and then try to jump and fall in the mud puddle.
All right, don't break it. Hey, this is my daily driver. We don't want to break it. Oh my gosh, she just fell down. Oh no. Oh no.
You got this. One more.
There we go. Oh my God, I'm gonna get mudded.
Nice. Attaboy. Attaboy.
Yeah.